Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing 5 solar-powered outdoor lights designed to enhance safety, ambience, and energy efficiency. Whether you're lighting up steps, fences, gardens, or patios, these models offer motion detection, dynamic color modes, and weatherproof durability. From compact wall-mounted units to high-powered spotlights with adjustable brightness, each product delivers reliable illumination without increasing your electricity bill. Installation is simple, and most models support dual mounting options. If you're upgrading your outdoor lighting for security, decoration, or festive events, this lineup offers smart features, long-lasting performance, and stylish designs to brighten every corner of your space. Number 1. Aeotec Motion Sensor Step Light. Aeotec's Solar Step Light offers 3 lighting modes: motion sensor, permanent low glow, and smart brightness control. The PIR sensor detects movement up to 26 feet at a 120 degrees angle, activating high brightness for 25 to 30 seconds. Its compact 4.13-inch by 3.65-inch design fits easily on steps, patios, or pathways. The PET laminated solar panel achieves a 20.5% conversion rate, powering efficient LED illumination. IP65 waterproof and heatproof, it withstands extreme weather. Installation is simple: just drill, plug, and screw into a sunny wall. Ideal for nighttime safety and outdoor visibility, this light combines smart sensing with durable, energy-saving performance. Number 2. NYMbitsweis Solar Landscape Lights 4-pack. NYMbitsweis solar spotlights feature 56 LEDs per unit, delivering bright, cool white light for up to 20 hours. Made from high-impact ABS, they're IP68 waterproof, frostproof, and weatherproof, built to perform in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Choose from 3 brightness modes and install as ground stakes or wall-mounted fixtures. The polycrystalline solar panels offer 20% energy conversion, ensuring year-round illumination. Anti-fogging lenses maintain clarity and brightness. Perfect for gardens, trees, fences, or patios, these lights add style and security. Whether you're hosting a party or lighting up your yard, NYMbitsweis offers reliable, long-lasting solar performance. Number 3. Lincind Multicolor Solar Spotlights. Lincind's solar spotlights offer 8 fixed colors and an auto-cycling mode for dynamic lighting effects. Ideal for festive decor, they provide up to 12 hours of illumination in static mode and 6 hours in full brightness cycling. IP67 waterproof and UV-resistant ABS housing ensures durability in all weather. The upgraded solar panel boosts conversion by 30%, and adjustable angles maximize sun exposure. Install with ground stakes or wall mounts for flexible placement. Perfect for holidays, parties, or everyday ambience, these lights transform gardens, pathways, and patios into vibrant, colorful spaces with zero wiring required. Number 4. Otterwin High Brightness Solar Spotlights. Otterwin's solar spotlight features 63 high-power LEDs emitting 6,500 K daylight. Choose from 3 brightness modes: low, 24 hours, medium, 18 hours, and high, 12 hours. In high mode, brightness gradually dims from 100% to 20% over 6 hours. The polycrystalline solar panel offers 25% conversion efficiency and extended lifespan. IP65 waterproof and built from ABS, it withstands harsh weather from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Use as a landscape light or wall-mounted fixture. Installation takes just 10 seconds. Ideal for illuminating driveways, fences, trees, or patios, Otterwin delivers powerful, long-lasting light with smart energy-saving features and fast setup. Number 5. Solpex Warm White Deck Lights. Solpex's solar deck lights feature a warm white LED housed in a brown shell, perfect for illuminating stairs, fences, and patios. Compact at 3.46 inches by 1.77 inches by 1.85 inches, they ensure safe nighttime navigation without dazzling brightness. No switch needed, just pull the insulator tab and let the light auto-activate at dusk. A full charge takes 4 to 5 hours in direct sunlight. Made from durable ABS, they're waterproof and weather-resistant. Easy to install with screws on any sunlit surface. Ideal for decks, balconies, or garden paths, these lights offer gentle illumination and classic styling for everyday use or thoughtful gifting. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.